Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Paycom Workforce Dashboard, HR system login step by step clearly. To log into the Paycom Workforce Dashboard, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for the Paycom login page. Once the page loads, look for the login button on the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to a login screen. Enter your username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Double-check both entries to ensure they are correct. If your organization has a specific company identifier, make sure to include that if prompted. After confirming your details, click the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to the Paycom Workforce Dashboard. In case you forget your password, look for the Forgot Your Password link below the login fields. Click on the link and follow the instructions to reset your password. For first-time users, there may be an option to create a new account instead. If you're facing issues logging in, verify that you are using the correct URL. Check your internet connection to ensure it is stable. If problems persist, contact your HR department for additional help. Once logged in, navigate the dashboard using the available options for your HR needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.